You take one.
Cree, he's on his tippy toes, y'all.
What?
Hello, my Quick Fix family. You guys, I have a special guest with me today in the kitchen. My son, Cree Taylor Hardrick. Okay, you guys, get in real close because today I am about to drop some real family secrets. Today, gosh, I cannot believe I am doing this, but I am teaching my son Cree how to make my mom's incredible chicken curry. Mwah! You guys, this is so delicious. It is like a deep vault family secret recipe that is just too good not to share.
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Before we get started, we love watching the Quick Fix family continue to grow. So be sure to
Like and subscribe, share, hit that notification bell for more Quick Fix, Tia Mowry, and Cree Taylor Hardrick videos.
oh my gosh.
And sometimes Cairo Tiana Hardrick.
yes.
So stay tuned for episode 3.
3? No, we've done more than 3 episodes, buddy.
564.
Maybe 564. And most importantly, invite your friends to the party, right? Share your favorite videos with them, and together we can make it to how many subscribers, Cree?
1 million!
1 million! So, Cree, if we get to 1 million subscribers, what should we do? Like, go ahead.
I know.
What?
Maybe we can make a vlog of going to a water park.
Oh, that'll be cool.
Yeah,
So you guys, let's get to 1 million subscribers.
So we can go to a water park. No, but actually, can we go to a water park for 1 million? I actually wasn't making that up.
You guys see what I do with on a regular. All right, Cree,
Okay.
let's get started. Are you ready to start cooking?
Think so.
That was a long pause. All right, let's do this. Okay, so this is my mother's incredible curry chicken, and we will start with that first. So I have some chicken thighs right here, and I like to use chicken thigh because they don't dry out. And we are gonna be braising this chicken, right? So we want our chicken to hold up. So Cree, do you know what braising is? Like when you braise chicken, or when you braise, what are you doing?
Like it shimmers in the pot?
It simmers, yes, it does simmer in the pot. It's like you're slowly cooking the protein or slowly cooking the chicken.
It's slowly going through the process?
Yes! See, I told you guys my son is a foodie. All right, gonna need your help. I want you to hold this resealable plastic bag.
Wait, so you're gonna pour this in here?
Yes, so I'm gonna put the chicken all into this bag here.
It's raw, so.
Yes, so we have to be careful, right? We don't wanna touch this because it is raw. Then we're gonna add some cumin, right?
Cumin?
Yes, cumin. Okay, so we are gonna add some turmeric.
What's that?
This is salt. So we're just gonna
What's
add
salt?
some. Cree, you know what salt is. Jokes. Jokes, jokes, jokes. All right, so what I want you to do is seal this up.
Okay.
Now you really have to seal this.
Okay.
Okay, because we don't want this chicken flying all over the place. Okay, so we're gonna get all of the air out, right? And mommy likes using this bag because it's the best way to get everything coated nicely. Okay, and it's also like easy cleanup. So what I want you to do is just start massaging the chicken like this. It's kind of fun. It's like a stress reliever. Okay.
You need to get me Pop It. Me and you need some.
Oh, Pop
Pop
It.
It, $2 on Amazon. We'll get it in like 2 months.
Okay, I love the way you know the price of it, Cree. We don't want this going all over the place. While you do that, mommy has heated her pot right here, and I am going to start sauteing some onions.
Is that olive oil?
Yes, we're gonna add some olive oil, and then I'm gonna add some onions.
Still keep on massaging.
Do you hear that, Cree? Do you hear that? What is that? ASMR. It's a sizzle. Sizzle, 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 baby.
If it's ASMR, you have to be quiet. How about this, Mom?
That looks fantastic.
'Kay.
I have my onions in my pot. I'm gonna let this cook for about 5 minutes until it's nice and translucent. Cree, how does that look?
Oh, it looks amazing.
So do you think it's time to move on?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, Now what we're gonna do is we are going to toast our spices, which is just gonna open up those spices even more, adding flavor to the curry.
Wait, I got a question.
What?
Is this Grandma's recipe?
Yeah, yes, this is Grandma's recipe. Yeah, this is Grandma's recipe, and then I've added like a quick fix flair to it. Because this is
Quick fixia.
Quick Fixia. Wait, let me know in the comments below if you guys think that I should change the title of the show to Quick Fix. What was it? So this is the curry. You want to smell it? This actually brings back so
Can I
many
eat it?
memories. So no, we're not going to eat it yet. And then we're going to add some garlic powder.
Can I do it?
Yes. Okay. And then we're going to add our cumin. So go ahead and add the cumin into the pot, but put it towards the camera. Okay, so go that way.
Like that?
Like that, yep. And then we're gonna add our ginger.
Wait, this is ginger?
Yes, that's ginger. Okay. You're gonna add some salt. Okay, there you go. That is perfect. And then add just a pinch of pepper. And then just stir everything together. My baby boy is cooking. Oh, sorry, he's not a baby anymore. You're not a baby anymore.
Yeah, good job of correcting yourself.
You will always be my baby. On to the next one.
The chicken.
The chicken.
Oh, and put a little rub on that chicken.
That's what we did. We put a rub on that chicken. Do you see how he like knows the terminology? Good job. Oh, it smells so good.
It actually
bringing
does.
back so many memories, you guys. My mother, she would always cook curry chicken at the house, and it is definitely one of my favorite dishes.
I love
she
curry
makes.
chicken.
It's so incredibly good. And my mother told me that she got this recipe from my grandmother, and my grandmother got the recipe from my great-grandmother. So it's nice to see how the recipe
The traits go on, keep on going on.
yeah, it's like the
Just
recipe has been passed down from generation to generation, and then here I am now teaching my son Cree how to make curry chicken.
And after that, I'll
And
teach somebody to make.
You'll teach who?
Somebody.
Smart answer. Yes, smart answer, because we're not ready for that conversation yet. How about you hand mommy the potatoes?
Oh, all of them?
All of them. We're gonna add all of our potatoes into this dish.
All right.
Okay, there we go.
Can I do it?
Go ahead. There you go.
Go.
Well, you can put more.
Yeah,
You
look.
can do more than one by one. We'll be here forever, Cree. Just go ahead and dump it all in there, baby. There we go. My family on my mother's side, they are from the Bahamas. She's actually from a small little island called Eleuthera. Your great-great-great-grandmother was born there. So she was born and raised in the Bahamas on a small island called Eleuthera, which has pink sanded beaches, so beautiful, and clear turquoise, oh my gosh, you guys, waters. But anyway, my point is on that island, the culture, they cook a lot of curry chicken. So that's how my great-grandmother, your great-great-grandmother, started cooking the dish. All right, Cree, look at how awesome this looks. And I love the way the potatoes, you guys, the potatoes are just soaking up all of that
Can I get
flavor
a smell?
that we have in this pot.
Can I get a smell?
You can whiff, get a nice whiff. Smell that?
Whoa.
It smells good, huh?
Chicken broth.
Yes, mommy cooks with chicken broth a lot. There we go. And then
It cools it
we
down.
are gonna add some diced tomatoes, like from a can. You guys can totally get this at any grocery store. So we're just gonna go ahead and combine all of this again. Look at that.
You don't really hear the heat no more.
No,
'cause the
you
water.
don't. All right, Cree, so we're gonna bring this down to a simmer for about 15 minutes until the potatoes are nice and what?
Tender.
Perfect. See, he knows what he's doing.
Are we done?
No, we actually have another step.
Wait, is it the coconut milk?
Yes, it's the coconut milk.
Because it's the only one left.
This is a coconut cream because I want this to be really nice and creamy. And see?
And tender?
Not tender, creamy and thick. So I want this to be really nice and creamy and thick. So mommy's just gonna go ahead
Well,
and
that's a
pour that.
satisfying sound.
ASMR, right? Okay, and then we're gonna squeeze some lime in there. Do you want it? Yes. Good job, boo-boo. This feels amazing watching Cree not only cook, but cook a dish that has been passed down from generation to generation. So this is like melting my heart.
I just love the experience because I'm just excited to eat, that's all. I just love eating, that's all I like.
Hey man, that's the coolest thing about having a boy in the house that
when I'm
loves to
sad, I just eat. It'll make me feel better.
Now we're gonna add the cilantro. So just go ahead and just throw it in there. Yes, there you go. Ooh, look at that.
It looks beautiful.
It does, see, and that's what I love about adding fresh herbs to any dish. Guess what? I think it's time for your favorite part.
Wait,
Which is what? What is your favorite part about cooking?
stirring it again.
No, what's your favorite part about cooking? Eating. Yes!
Wait, so I can eat?
All right, now to your favorite part. We are about to eat, okay?
I'm gonna give you my honest opinion, okay? So, aye.
Aye, aye, sir. Captain.
It's not sir.
Aye, aye, Captain. Ooh, look at that.
That juice. Get some chicken in there, you know? I like some chicken.
Look at that, Cree. You know what you were talking about.
Yeah.
All right, boo-boo. It's okay if I call you boo-boo in front of everybody, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Only you guys, not nobody else.
Because you like the Quick Fix family, right?
Mm-hmm, they're like our family.
They are our family. First of all, you have to rate me on presentation. So presentation.
I will give you about a 10 on the presentation.
Yay!
That's my honest opinion.
You guys, my son, he rates my dishes all the time at home. So this isn't something new. Okay.
No.
You like it? What do you like about it?
I haven't tasted everything yet, Mo.
Okay, I'm sorry.
I bet you're gonna put like a cut, and it's gonna be 428,000 years later.
428,000 years later.
I'll give it a 10 out of 10.
Yay! High five! All right, you guys, it is debate time. So, question is, and answer in the comments below. Do you like recipes that are passed down from generation to generation? Or do you like recipes that you've never tried before?
Never tried before?
Try.
Put eggs on syrup. And like,
You mean put syrup on eggs?
Yeah, like get toast, right?
Okay.
Eggs, syrup, drizzle syrup.
Yeah.
Then put, let's say, ham,
Okay.
and then bread.
I would love to see that visually, like somewhere
It is actually good.
in this video. So you're saying that's trying something
Something
new.
new.
So you're all about trying new flavors and trying something
Because
new.
it's like, you're like, that's disgusting. You haven't tried it yet? You can't judge something before you
You're
try
right, you're right. My answer to that question is, of course, I love tradition. Everything that I do is just all about tradition. So holding on to traditions is like paying homage, to my family. So that's my answer. Thank you so much, Cree, for joining me. You are like one of my favorite guests on Tia Mowry's Quick Fix. And
Like, subscribe, share this video, or save it for later if you want to watch it later on Tia Mowry's Quick Fix on YouTube. We're almost to a million subscribers. When we get there, we're gonna go visit a water park.
yeah.